Good morning, students. We are going to discuss cleaning lesson 115, Kincaid. I want you to go to classwork. Under classwork, I want you to go to perception is everything. Then I want you to scroll down to lesson 115, which is Miss Kincaid. When you get to lesson 115, you will see this Google Sheet. I want you to kindly go to this Google Sheet and I want you to make a copy of it. When you make a copy of it, I want you to upload it to lesson 115 Kincaid. Okay, we'll go over all of these items in a few minutes. However, I need you to make sure that you have done something first. What you will do is you will follow the instructions on the practice instructions. Okay? You are to go to lesson 115 Kincaid. You are to create a Google Dot. Then you are to return to lesson 113 and copy your writing prompt literary analysis. You are to paste that writing prompt literary analysis into the Google Docs from step 2. Then you are to click share and share the document with your partners. When you share the document with your partners, you will list your partners as an editor. Do not list them as a viewer. List them as a partner. What will you do when you are practicing? You will check your partner's essay, and I need to correct that. You will check your partner's essay for correct use and placement of modifiers. You are to follow the steps listed. Underline any modifying words, phrases, and clauses. Check for the correct placement and use. And you are to rewrite to correct any misplaced or dangling modifiers. How will you do that? Well, the way that you will do that is you will do it this way. What you will do is you will highlight the errors that you see in your classmates' assignments, and then you will comment on them and you will correct them for your classmates. Not only will you correct it for your partner, you also need to help your partner and make sure that they have capitalized certain words, that their grammar is correct as well. You are peer editing your classmates' work. Then what will you do after that? Well, you will kindly go to Springboard and check and make sure that you have everything listed on your Google Sheet. Okay, so let's go look at Springboard. First off, you need to make sure that you have answered both of these questions under making observations. You have answered all of the questions for returning to the text. You have answered all of the questions for working from the text, and you have bulleted your answers right here. You have answered all of the questions for number 7, and you have filled out this chart completely. And you have finished Check Your Understanding. Once you've done that, then you will go to Language Checkpoint Placing Modifiers. And we'll sit here and wait for an eternity for that to begin working. Okay, and you will make sure that you did 1A, 1B, and 1C. Now, we did 1A and 1B in class together, and some classes I did C with. So you need to make sure that you have all of those answered. You also need to make sure that you complete correcting dangling modifiers, which is D, E, and F. And then you are to revise. You are to complete revising here. And then you will complete Check Your Understanding. And for the practice, you do not need to cut and paste what you and your partners did here. You will just tell me, go to lesson 115. Okay, because you've already uploaded the sheet, and I do not want the Google sheet cut and pasted here. You should have already uploaded it. Okay, once you guys are finished with that, you are ready to go. And I want you to turn in your assignment so you can kindly take your test for lesson 115. Have a nice day. Bye bye.